of the year Ed Center Show. This show rotates every 6 weeks. It starts off here at the Ed Center and ends up at the Mary Kay Gallery at the 5th Avenue Mall. We are seeing a variety of schools represented here. K-12, we have, I think, North Star and Chugiak High School, Eagle River Elementary, and everything in between. So each teacher gets 6 pieces during their rotation at the Ed Center Show, and the teachers get to pick. They pick based on artistic talent, sometimes students taking a risk, sometimes a student just needing a win. There's a variety of reasons why teachers pick students' art. This artwork will be up all the way until summer throughout the school year. Like I said, it rotates every 6 weeks and then ends up at the Mary Kay Gallery in the 5th Avenue Mall, so that's a good place to go visit to see the rotations as well.